This is the update of my eggplant, guys. As you guys see, there's a lot of new baby eggplant here, and the other one I did not harvest yet, but I think I have to do that. Here's the bigger one. I have here, this one is not, I kinda, oh, here, this one, I don't know where is this belong. This belong to the other. Okay, if you could see here, that's the big one. So I think I'm going to leave that one until it get yellow for the seedlings. In here also, it's big one. I can do that for the seedlings also. So this one is leaning down. I probably because of this. I guess I just have to harvest this one because it's leaning down. So I hope this part here grow in here also, so it will balance out. So my eggplant really grow good. I mean, I cannot even eat all of it, just for grown plant, and now I have multiple eggplant now. So my breakfast is sold for this. So these are the new. This one here are new. This is a new, which is already big. I can harvest those. This one is good for boiled eggplant. It's sweet taste if it's young, not too old, you know. And there's a lot of new also. So you guys, like I said, that I did not cut the new trunk, the sprout. It's getting bigger now, if you could see, and now it's producing another one. So that's why I did not cut it. So I want it to produce, but some of it I have to, if ever my eggplant is not doing well, because it's asking for more foods and using much energy now. So I have to cut some of it if I have to. So it's growing well. The only thing of this eggplant, it really dried quick, so that's why I put this one. That will help to keep the moisture if I have to water it, so at least I can wait for another 2 days before I water if we don't have any rain. So the weather here in Florida is totally hot this time during the summer, so you have to water your plant every day. So that's how it goes because of the type of weather that we have. It's hot and dry. If you could see here, look. Yeah, that's my eggplant. It's touching. It looks nice.